Here are 7 keys or 7 signs that you're in the 5th dimension instead of the 3rd dimension. I broke these 7 keys down inside of my audiobook. 7 keys that you are in 5D. Awareness, consciousness, soul, body, old patterns, replaced with new patterns. Authentic, actions matches your words. Learn more today. Click the link in the bio. 1995. The understanding of the invisible realm can be a powerful force in the visible realm. The scriptures tell us that we understand that what is seen was not made out of things that are visible. Learn how to command the universe. Join me August the 15th. Science of Super Unification. Let's go. Neuroplasticity. How to mold mass and matter by changing the brain. In order to rewire your brain, it requires 3 things. Number 1, you got to disengage with reality and you got to engage with mentality. Number 2, energy flows where attention goes. Number 3, distractions cause inactions. You see, in order to rewire the brain, it requires 63 repetitions, not 63 days. Now, I was always taught it takes 21 days to create a new habit, 21 days to turn that habit into a lifestyle, and another 21 days to turn a lifestyle into a destiny. That's 21, 21, 21, or 63. Well, the old days of rewiring the brain in 21, 21, 21, or 63 days is over. So join me August the 15th. I teach you how to rewire the brain in 63 repetitions, not days. How long does it take to do a repetition? On average, about 1 minute. So learn how to rewire the brain in 1 day instead of 63 days. Super Unification. Email for
A Master Teacher 33, and today's Wednesday, August the 10th, 2022 at the time. The time is 2:15 Central. We're going to jump right in, brothers and sisters, as we prepare for August the 15th. August the 15th, we start the universal unified field of physics as we break down the super unification field. Today we are laying the introduction, which we've been doing for the entire month of August, preparing for August the 15th, as we establish, again, a superior belief system to destroy all inferior or lower belief systems based upon collapsing waves in the particles. From a basic understanding, we are establishing reason, logic, love, compassion, knowledge, gnosis, and discernment that puts you on a level where there is no devil, meaning past tense, D-E-V-I-L, L-I-V.
Most people don't understand that the universe is based upon mathematical principles instead of religious beliefs. I explain these principles inside of my book, The Standard. I'll also be explaining the science and the metaphysics of the Standard based upon the mathematical principles discovered by Dr. Gabriel Ayibo, which is the holy grail of mathematics and physics. This is the universal, unified field of physics. The Standard is what some people call oneness or one theorem, not theory, theorem. I explain this in detail inside of the 10 chapters inside of my book, The Standard. This is where God and science combine or collide. When the word of God meets universal law. This is not for new believers. Chapter 1, one faith, one God. That term God must be defined. Chapter 2, we break down the standard. The standard must be defined. And we do define it. There it is right there, the standard. The 5 omnis. Omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent, omnibenevolent. The big one, omnisimplistic. Audio copy. Your consciousness, your awareness, and your perception, which is simply how you see yourself, determines how the brain collapses the field. How the brain collapses the field creates what is real. You create your reality with your mentality. You are the universe. Dr. Will Rogers, peak performance. What does it feel like to have superior intellect? Einstein once said, the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. What's going on, everybody? This is your boy, Dr. Will Rogers, a.k.a. Master Teacher 33, Peak Performance Life Coach. Let me break down the reason or the 7 benefits of establishing a mental disposition that's the vibrational equivalent of source. And this is called a universal, unified field of physics. This is also physically feeling unified with source. When you feel unified with God or source, you have superior reason, logic, love, superior compassion, knowledge, gnosis or wisdom, and supreme discernment. You can pick up a copy of the free audiobook that breaks down the 7 benefits of the universal unified field of physics. In this audiobook, I explain the 7-day course. This is the metaphysics and the science of the super unification with source. This unification results in a superior intellect. And the greatest benefit is the benefit to see the field, discernment. Pick up your free copy today. Click the link. universal, unified field of physics, physically feeling unified with source. Day 1, super unification. Day 2, physics of bliss. Day 3, science of synchronicity. Day 4, metaphysics of 10-5-6-5. Day 5, quantum physics. Day 6, biology of energy. Day 7, unification. Let's go!